Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage input mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click a voice here, and here as you see you will find input mode. Click on it. Now as you see you can manage your input mode settings, and that's it for today. That's how to manage input mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.